Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to learn one more big friend addition formula, big friend addition of 4. Now let us solve these sums using Abacus. The first one, 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4. Now can I do plus 4 directly? No, I only have 2 lower beads. I cannot do plus 4. So this I cannot do it directly. Next one, 8 less 2 plus 4. 8 less 2, okay, less 2, add 4. Can I do add 4? No, I have only 3 beads left. So again, direct addition of 4 is not possible. To solve these type of questions, we are going to learn big friend addition of 4. If this is your first time on my channel and you don't know about big friends, then watch my videos. I've explained about how to write big friend formulas. You will find the link in my description box. Now, can you tell me who is the big friend of 4? Who is the big friend of 4? We have done this before. Yes, the big friend of 4 is 6. The big friend of 4 is 6. Very good. So, the big friend of 4 is 6. Now, let us write the formula. To add 4, we need to add plus 10. We write the base number, that is plus 10, less the friend of 4. Who is the friend of 4? 6. Do you remember this? 4 is the friend of 6 and 6 is also the friend of 4. So we have the formula plus 4 is plus 10 less 6. Now let us solve these sums based on this formula. The first one, 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4. Plus 4 is plus 10 less 6. Plus 10 less 6. So my answer is 11. Next one, 8 less 2 plus 4. 8 less 2. Less 2 plus 4 again, plus 4 is plus 10 less 6. So my answer is 10. Now we are going to solve these questions based on big friend addition formula of 4, which is plus 4 is plus 10 less 6. The first one, 9 less 2 plus 4. 9 less 2 plus 4 is plus 10 less 6. So my answer is 11. Next one, 7 plus 4 plus 2. 7 plus 4 is plus 10 less 6 and plus 2. Plus 2. My answer is 13. Next one, 5 plus 4 plus 4. 5 plus 4. Can I do it directly? Yes. Again, plus 4. Now I cannot. So I have to use the formula. Plus 10 less 6. My answer is 13. Next, 6 plus 4 plus 5. 6 plus 4 plus 5. My answer is 15. Next, 9 plus 4 less 3. 9 plus 4, add 10 less 6 less 3. My answer is 10. Next one, 15 plus 3 plus 4. 15 plus 3 plus 4. Again, add 10 less 6. My answer is 22. Next, 35 plus 4 plus 4. 35 plus 4. Can I use it? Yes, I can do it directly. So plus 4. Again plus 4. Now I can't do it. So I have to use the formula. Plus 10 less 6. My answer is 43. My answer is 43. Next, 28 plus 4 less 2. 28 plus 4 is plus 10 less 6 less 2. My answer is 30. Next, 57 plus 4 less 1. 57 plus 4 is plus 10 less 6 less 1. My answer is 60. Next, the last one, 79 plus 4 plus 5. 79 plus 4 is plus 10 less 6 and plus 5. My answer is 88. I hope you're clear with big friend addition formula of 4. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below. In the next video, we will be learning big friend addition of 3. If you have found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching us. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of Abacus with Fatima.